Welcome to Snug Notes. This is Trina. Today we're doing a project share. It is a little 3x4 mini. It is using the collection of Vintage Christmas by Echo Park. Look how fat this is. This is a 1-inch and it's loaded. We have May the Christmas Season Fill Your Home with Joy. Got a little vellum Christmas theme going on there, a little plaid. Got a sticker. We've got 40 sheets of note card. Merry Christmas to you and yours. And then here we have a brad and some pieces of paper. There's like 5. It's a little sticker. You can swing around. You can see that little sticker here. We've got a belly band, a tag, a little Christmas present, a wreath, magic of the season. We have another pocket here, the tag. Got a little horse, rocking horse, and then we have another brad with paper, another 5 papers. We have a Santa Claus, and then we have our last tag there. We have a belly band here. You can stick stuff in there. Christmas tree. May your days be merry and bright. We have our envelope vellum. Put your treasures in, and then be filled with the magic of Christmas. Thanks for watching.